Hey, Cyber-Theo here. Managing your finances can be a breeze with the right tools. Here are the top 3 financial software options for 2024. In-app, you need a budget. Why it's great, best for building budgeting habits. Real-time bank syncing, detailed spending reports, and educational tutorials. Cost, $14.99 per month or $99 per year. Best for individuals looking to develop better budgeting habits. Quicken. Why it's great, most comprehensive personal finance software. Includes budgeting, bill pay, investment tracking, and property management. Cost, starts at $41.88 per year. Best for those needing a full-featured, all-in-one financial management tool. GNU Cash. Why it's great, best free software for small businesses and freelancers. Personal and business accounting, customer/vendor tracking, invoicing. Cost, free. Best for microbusinesses and startups needing robust accounting without the cost. These software options can help you manage your money effectively. Try them out and see which one fits your needs. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.